Hey everyone, this is Gabriel here, and today I'll be a cookery student for the day. I'm pretty sure I'll do great as I consider myself a natural in the kitchen. I'm super excited. Let's go.
Listen up everyone, we have a special guest here today. His name is... What's your name again?
Oh, it's Gabriel. Hey everyone. Hey, how's it going? Hello. Hey.
He's cute.
Hey.
Nice to meet you, Gabriel, and welcome. Today we'll be creating our classic burger and salad on the side, using the skills you learned in class. Let's get to work! Up, begin to plate. Interesting technique. Well done. Beautiful presentation. Well done. Marvelous. Interesting. Excuse me, we don't judge here. Everybody needs to start somewhere. Good effort, Gabriel. Honestly, I thought I was a natural, but obviously I was wrong. If you feel the same way and want to learn how to cook at a professional level, Entrepreneur Education is the place for you. So if you want to know more information about our courses, please contact us at our details below.
Yeah.
Because I'm into it.
Try not to laugh.
Oh, what's your name? What's your name again? So and then. Gonna burn a little bit here. It's alright. Mouth open like sexy. Don't judge. You're David, I'm so into the character. Alright, let's do it. Okay, here you go. Okay, stay there. Stay there, Joe.